Guys, do you think Kolkata just inside in the small bustling old towns and buildings with the streets full of crowds and only one thing to see? Now I am going to show you the other side of Kolkata. Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. Let's show you the other side of Kolkata. These are the big buildings. This is the southern Kolkata. It's like mostly the other cities. Let's show you clip by clip and let's not bore you. Guys, this building is a Millennium Park. Okay. You can see it's pretty organized state. Not hustling and bustling like northern Kolkata. It's a IT sector. This is another thing. The place where I'm going, it's called College Mode because there are many colleges, mainly two colleges here, IEM and Techno. IEM is in the main spot and Techno is a little bit side, which is also my college. Okay. This is called Bosu Vigyan Mandir, Bose Institute of Technology made by Jagadish Chandra Bose. As you can see, this side is quite also busy. It's mainly a IT sector. The place is Salt Lake. Okay, as you can see the bluish buildings, it's IEM. And Techno is out there, out in somewhere behind the trees. This is Bose Institute of Technology, a close-up look. I can't go in here because I don't have the guide permissions. I'm showing you from the outside. It's quite a big building. This is College Road. Jam never ends. All big towers. It's a pretty famous place here, RS Software. It's RS Software. This is the PTI building. It used to house Thomas Cook Airlines, but after it had got bankrupt, it stopped. But the banner is still here. It's a pretty good park. I sometimes come here, but not today. Let's take the footpath. Here the footpath is a bit bumpy. You can't access any here. This red building is a national test center. I don't know what it's done here, but it's a pretty good building, pretty big. You can see it's a big old building. I don't know what it's being done here. I have never seen someone. I have never seen someone entering this place. Let's move on to our another next building. Yeah, it's a pretty big building. You can see, I don't know, it's been more than 100 years since it's been here. It's a big building. Okay, I will show you that. This CSTRAI event is going on here. If you wish to come, you can come. It's National Science Level Contest. India's international something like that. It's CSTRAI. I told you the footpath is bit bumpy. It's not clean at all. It's a very planned city. The streets are always straight, bends at right angle. ये पॉल्यूशन कब कम होगा यार? The black and cream building we can see, it's Martin Bund Business Park, and it's another building. I don't know what it is, but it's a big building. I think it's something government related. I'll show you. No. It's a private building. TCG Life Science. It has a good waterfall. Wait, I will show you. I think the trees have covered it up, but it was a okay. You can see the waterfalls. It's a good waterfall. Let's meet you on the other side. It's a big city. I need to pass on the streets. It's really busy. Okay. This road is EM bypass. The road it goes from left to right. And these big buildings is Martin Bund Business Park. It's a huge one, and beside it a famous building of this area, Technopolis. If you say any bus conductor Technopolis, you want to come down in Technopolis, I'm very sure he will know this place. It's Technopolis. So let's end it here, guys, because what I showed you, that's a print. What I showed you, it's on the way to my college. I will show you another things on the next day. So bye.